Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Alisha. I'm from Tawheed Islamic School. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an aquarium in Scratch. So first I'm going to choose a sprite. Go to animals category. Choose a fish. I'm going to right click it and choose duplicate option. I'm going to make 4 fishes and I'm going to change their costumes by going to the costumes categories. Now I am going to first arrange them, then choose a backdrop. I'm going to go to the underwater category and choose this underwater 2 backdrop, and I'm going to arrange the fishes again. Now I am going to add the code in it. First I'm going to take a move 10 steps block and then an if on edge bounce block and set rotation style left to right block. Now I'm going to go to the events and add a when green flag click block and go to the control and add a forever loop. Now I'm going to change the steps into 2. Now I'm going to right click it and Control plus C, and then I'm going to paste it in all of these fishes. Control plus V. Now I'm going to add a sound in one of these fishes. I'm going to the events category and choose a when green flag click block and go to the sound category and play and add a play sound bubbles until done block. Now we are going to test it. It is working. Jazakallahu khair.